Hi! Let's do the basic. Let's pretend that we are doing some tasks in Xero accounting software. Today, we're going to make a sales invoice. In going to a specific area, there are a few ways to follow. For now, let's go to business and then invoices. Since we're making a new invoice, so let's click this new invoice. Now, let's fill this out. Say the name of our customer is Ambitious, and it shows here that it is not yet recorded. So let's add this name as a new contact. Down here, let's put the information about the new contact. In putting information, it is important to encode the correct information or the details. Since this is just a sample, let's save it. Anyways, your clients will give you all the details that you needed. If not, then ask him. Here, put the date you issue the invoice, then the due date, then the invoice number is automated by Xero software. Now, let's say our customer is from Australia. Then let's add an item. Let's say your customer is selling courses online. The amount is 400. Then under sales. About tax, if the tax is included, then click tax inclusive. Save, or you can save and close. Or if ever you are the one who will approve, then you can approve it and email the customer. So it depends. There's a selection here, so just click whatever task assigned to you. Okay, let's add more. In this item, there's a 2% tax. So if how much tax added, just add the tax rate. Click that arrow to set. Refresh. So in here, let's say there's a 2% tax. Then click that 2%, then it is added. Then the accounting software is automatically calculating it. So this is the total. And just like I said, it is up to you how you're going to save this. Yes, it depends if what your client asks you to do. Then, when you email your customer, it depends if you use the template here or you will compose another one. Send. Invoice done. So the invoice saved here. So in this section, you can see where the invoice being saved. It will show if it is waiting for approval or waiting for payment. See how helpful this tool. It really helps make our task easy. Just remember to always put the correct information or details. Yes, attention to details is a must. Be mindful always.